last week, and it's tomato.
Tomato.
You know, Rotten Tomatoes just popped in my head, of course, right?
Of course, you know, the rating site for movies.
The rating site for movies, because, you know, we're finishing up with tomato. This is not a Rotten Tomato, though. This is a pretty good one. This is a fun little block. It's much easier than we did last week. It's just squares and half square triangles. So we need, I'm going to start at the bottom, 6 patches of the ebony for die number, we're using die number 5 and die number 2. From the 9-inch cube, I'm going to start with die number 2. And, you know, one of our viewers had a great suggestion, which I did not do, and that was write what you need to cut on the die itself. So our size of block is 2 3/4. I'm going to cut it at 3 1/2. And then we can get all of these in one pass. Still excited about the new mat. Okay. There's my 3 layers, 6 layers. 6 of those done.
Linda said she loves the into bolt sales. Hi Amber, how are you? Hopefully you and your family are doing well. I know we haven't got to shoot the breeze for a while, but hopefully you guys are doing okay.
Okay, there's my 6 pieces, and then we need 10 patches of die number 5. So I am just going to, let's just cut 12 because it's easier, and then I can save those 2 patches for something else. Okay.
You know, we had our first little dose of fall today. A little bit of that fall feeling.
That's my sweater. I got a sweater.
Yeah.
It was in the 60s.
It was about 50 something this morning. Yeah.
Bring it on. Bring on the cold weather.
Which was very nice. Hi Polly, how are you? Hi Donna. Dana. Sorry. Been a while since you've been to class. Well, welcome.
Okay, I am going to pull 2 of these off because I know 6 layers cuts 12, and set those aside.
Oh, nice. Well, I'm so happy for you, Amber. Tell them, I mean, we keep them in our prayers, you and your family, so hopefully things continue on a good path for you.
We also need 10 patches of the tomato.
10 tomato patches.
It's 10
Sweet.
tomato patches. Yeah, we didn't plan that. That was just, let me try the other side. It might be a little straighter. 10 tomato patches.
10 tomato patches.
I love tomatoes. Love tomatoes.
Tomato sandwiches are favorite.
Oh my gosh, tomato sandwiches. So I eat my tomato sandwiches, and this is a Midwestern thing. Or Southern thing, maybe? I don't know.
I think we had this conversation. A lot of people like mayonnaise on there, right?
Yep.
Flash flood warning. It's been raining hard all day and still going. All right, Beverly, will stay dry and keep your boat handy and your sewing machine. Be sure to take that with you.
And all your fabric.
Oh, yeah, and your fabric, yeah.
I've had that happen to me.
Need a little Harry Potter wizard thing going on there where you can whisk your fabric somewhere else real quick.
Or Mickey Mouse with the magic mop.
Ollie said she's doing well, waiting for her Death Star die.
Death Star die.
I don't know what that is. Hi, Georgia. How are you? Tomato sandwiches with mayo, the best.
Oh, absolutely. You can't eat just one, right? You gotta have at least 2.
You have 2 tomato sandwiches.
Yep. I miss that from summer. Our neighbor, kudos to our neighbor, planted a garden, and he gave us tomatoes, and you know I hoarded them. I'm the only one that likes tomato sandwiches, so
He did the Wilson home improvement thing over the backyard. I couldn't hardly see him over the fence, but he's like handing tomatoes over the top of the fence, which was awesome.
passing tomatoes.
Yeah. Pass me the tomato. Oh, Polly said Feather Star. I was going to say
Feathered
Death
Star.
Star.
Feathered
Got like a
Star.
Lego die
Oh,
there.
yeah.
She's going to be cutting stuff out. So
Yeah, I made one of those. I did get one of the dies for myself. I'm really looking forward to it. So, okay. So I'm not going to lay this out yet. I know all of the triangles go together, so let's piece those together real quick. This is a version of an Ohio star. It has this real cool little centerpiece here. I'm going to piece this in rows. So let's just get started. We'll get done, and then we can move on to fabric. I can't believe we've done this for 42 weeks.
yeah, I think the sashing video, I mean, should be really good next week. So
Yeah.
I can't wait to see some of the pictures of all the quilts that people did.
I know,
It's gonna be
especially
a lot of
ones
fun.
that, you know, did their own fabric, because
Yeah.
I love it when people take something and make it their own. Because
Yeah, the colors are really good on this one. So I like the tomato patch block.
tomato patch block. Well, if we'd have thrown some green right here, could have kind of maybe given you the impression of tomato.
If we put a stem on it, I could have handed it back over the fence and said, "Here's your payment for the tomatoes."
So yeah, lots of things in summer to look forward to. Blackberries, another favorite. But I like the cold. I don't like being too. Let me make sure I'm piecing. Yep, got it. No seam ripping this time.
Yeah, we're going for a seam ripperless show. Gotta say that one real fast.
Seam ripperless show.
Yeah.
Try not to mess things up. Turn the blocks the wrong way.
Did you grab the thread box?
I did.
That thread of the month color
I grabbed that too. It's right there.
is 6001.
Perfect for quilting those holiday quilts.
6001.
See how nice? Because this is kind of, the red's kind of a Halloween, or not
Right.
Halloween, but, you know, Christmassy color. And it really does bring out that festive kind of feel in your quilt. Now I don't know which way these go.
Distractions. Somebody's distracting you. Who would do such a thing?
One of these days.
Saran wrap. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Socks, toothbrushes.
Wait, what? I missed something.
They were talking about wrapping.
Okay.
Karen said her cold only lasts about a day or two. Janice is finished with her quilt through row 6 this weekend.
Oh,
Sashes
nice.
and cornerstones included. Waiting on the last 3 block kits. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know. Did we get any new products yet?
We did. We got a whole new fabric collection
Oh,
from
okay.
American Jane.
Okay.
You could walk the camera over. It's right over there.
right over there.
Warm, warm, hot, hot. Nope, nope, cold. Yep, that's it.
Okay. Oh, Ruth, well, you're in our prayers, so hope everything goes well. Mississippi Gulf Coast, huh?
Somebody was saying we're going to have a really cold winter this year.
Yeah, I think a couple people have said that. I don't know if that was in the Farmer's Almanac or not.
I don't know. Something about like wasp nests and things like that. How high off the ground they're.
Well, that's interesting. Now we got to explore this topic.
Has anybody else ever heard that?
Anyone knows anything about the height of wasp nests off the ground relating to winter, I would love to hear about this.
I think that's something my grandfather told me.
All right. Missouri thing.
Well, he was from Texas.
So, persimmons have spoons on them this year. That means snow. Okay. 6 rows sewn together with the cornerstones and sashing, just waiting to finish the row to complete the top. Nice. Okay.
I am really excited to see this. It's going to be better than the first one.
Yeah.
I have not decided what color I'm going to quilt it in yet.
So Debbie said that her dad always judged it by the woolly worms, but she hasn't seen any of them. So if you've seen a bunch of them, it was going to be a harder winter, or less, it was going to be a softer winter? That's a question.
Woolly worms.
Yeah, those things are...
Yep, we used to catch those all the time when I was a kid.
Where we were talking to somebody who had I don't think they had seen a tomato worm before.
Really?
You know, those wiggly, giant green tomato worms that get on your vines.
Inchworms? The inchworm looking thing?
They're big and green. Grandma always called them tomato worms. Oh, the color of the fuzz on them. They're black and rust color. Okay. Interesting. You know, the things you can learn on Make It Sew. Not just sewing, but the plethora of knowledge that on this show. Yeah, I hate the tomato worms too. Grandma was not happy about the tomato worms. Always eating up the leaves.
No, I would go to battle with tomato worms.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Oops, wrong way. Try that again.
Get the doohickey out, press down again.
Yep, that is the nice thing about that. You can press your seams the other way without having to press it flat.
I don't know, there's some kind of funny thought going on there. I see it. I see it.
I was actually thinking about the magic of video editing. So once Chloe gets done, nobody will ever know I sewed a whole, bunch of triangles with no thread.
Yeah. Except for these live people.
Except for you, and then it's an urban legend, right? Oh, this turned out really nice. Ooh, gloss.
As she said, it's a great group, tomato worms and BLT.
Hey, we got things to talk about.
That's right. We got sharing to share.
Okay, so this is block 7F, final week 42. So, congratulations for hanging in there.
Beautiful block, too.
I do like this one. It's very cool.